Hello guys, today we're gonna play The Walking Zombie 2. This is part 1, so I'll be completing some missions before I
If you
leave.
need my help, just say a word.
Let's go.
I know, but we need to save the child. It's her last wish.
It's a boy. How should we name him?
Alright, Julian. No. Game. Alright, go.
And how is his mother? She didn't look well. She disappeared. Watch out!
Oh no. Dati pa yan eh.
Sinira kasi hindi kasi sa lolo. Kaya naging na lang siya. Dito ka! Chibi, chapa, chapa, rubi, raba, raba. Magic coco, kumi, kumi, boom, boom. Salamin sa dingding na sanang pag-ibig. Salamin sa dingding.
Alright guys, let's go.
Ang ingay na, wala na yan.
That's just my sister, okay?
Sister, I'm not your sister. I'm not your sister. I'm not your sister.
Found a refuge in the woods.
He's your cousin.
Frank.
I'm a she. I'm a she, not a he.
They
He
search
is for a
food
boy.
and meds in the ruins of old cities. Lila,
Let's just go.
Elda,
A wand. No, please. Please,
they knew very well.
What is the magic word? No, yun. Where are the Harry Potter? Nasa baba! Jezebel Williams. Salamin sa dingding na sanang pag-ibig. Ano yan?
Mom!
Kunin ko na, anak. Hihi ka ba? Bro, don't even speak in English. You're not American.
I just speak English and Filipino, that's it.
Speak in Tagalog right now.
What should I choose? I'm just a guy.
Put the face. Your name is Frank.
Franklin?
Jillian is being sus.
Nah, bro's being sus. Mom, Mom, can you speak English or you just want to show it to my fans?
Bro, you didn't have fans. You didn't have any subscribers.
I have nearly 4.
What? Yeah, your mom, your dad, Jill, your brother, and your friend.
God, what the heck is happening, guys?
Mga 3 ha.
Yep, wait.